Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Linguists reconstruct classical Latin pronunciation by comparing inscriptions, literary spelling, and poetic meter to surviving grammar descriptions. We combine written evidence and patterns of change. The vowel system included long and short distinctions that affected stress and meter, and those lengths are inferred from poetry and explicit ancient statements. Consonants like initial plosives, aspirates, and stops are recovered from orthography and non-Latin transcriptions. This reconstructed sound reflects speech used roughly 2,000 years ago during the Republic and early Empire, forming the basis for how Romans sounded in learned contexts. Classical Latin sound features include long versus short vowels that altered syllable weight and stress patterns. Those lengths are critical for correct meter and pronunciation. The letter C was always /k/, so names like Caesar likely began with /key/ rather than /c/ in later Romance languages. Double consonants were held longer, such as anise with a sustained /n/. This gemination changed word rhythm. Aspiration and palatalization occurred in specific environments, and vowels preserved qualities closer to modern Italian than to later medieval Latin shifts. After the classical period, Latin underwent gradual change. Medieval pronunciation shifted many vowels toward the values seen in Romance languages, so the spoken language evolved across regions and centuries. Reconstructed classical Latin therefore often sounds closer to modern Italian phonology than to English-influenced ecclesiastical Latin. Listeners typically hear clearer vowel distinctions and absent palatal fricatives. Modern recreations use the comparative method, living Romance languages, ancient descriptions, and explicit phonetic reconstruction rules to produce a plausible spoken Latin for performance, teaching, and experimentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.